Namaskar. Whenever we talk about having a balanced diet, we all think about protein, which is very important, right? Nowadays, you may find that there are even protein shake powders, which are very easily available in the market. If you are looking for a wholesome replacement of these powder, I am going to give you three new options and a traditional recipe. Let's see how to make your special homemade protein powder today. Our first recipe, hemp and chia seed protein powder. So here to make that powder you need 1 cup hemp seeds, half cup chia seeds, half cup flax seed, 1/4 cup pumpkin seed. Simply combine all these together and mix it in a blender and blend until you get a fine powder. Store this protein powder in an airtight container and use as required. 100 grams of this mixture will give you 20 grams of protein. Let's move to our second recipe, amaranth and sunflower seed protein powder. Take 1 cup amaranth flakes, half cup sunflower seed, 1/4 cup sesame seeds, 1/4 cup chia seeds. Toast all these seeds on a low flame until they give out a fragrance. Then allow the mixture to cool. Finally, blend the mixture till you get a fine powder. 100 grams of this powder will give you 20 grams of protein. To use these protein powders, mix the scoop of this with your favorite plant-based milk or water. Blend with fruits or vegetables to create a nutritious and delicious protein shake. You can adjust the sweetness and flavor by adding bananas, berries, or little honey. All these new recipes are a good source of essential amino acids, healthy fats, and minerals to support your protein intake, especially when you are vegetarian. Now let's see a traditional recipe called as chana sattu. For making chana sattu powder, you will need 2 cups split chana dal or Bengal gram. Roast the dal on a pan till it gives a nutty aroma. This will take around 8 to 10 minutes. After cooling, grind it into a fine powder. You may need to do this in batches for an even consistency. Then if you want an extra smooth texture, you can shift the ground powder using a fine mashed sieve. 60 grams of sattu powder provides 22 to 24 grams of protein. There are many ways to use this chana sattu powder. One is to make a sattu drink. Mix 2-3 tablespoons of chana sattu powder with water or buttermilk. Add a pinch of salt and other seasoning like cumin powder, chopped green chilies, and coriander leaves for flavor. Another way to use this chana sattu powder is to make sattu paratha. Just add chana sattu powder into your paratha dough for a protein pack and a flavorful twist. You can also make sattu laddu or energy ball. Combine chana sattu powder with jaggery and ghee and crushed nuts to form a round small energy ball. So chana sattu can be used in various recipes to add a nutritious boost to your meals. You can adjust the quantity according to your taste, preferences, and dietary need. All these protein-rich alternatives not only provide essential amino acids but also include range of vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. Try these homemade protein sources and bring balance to your meals. Namaskar.